Hi, Jess. Thank you so much for being here today. Welcome, everyone. We are just going to have a little discussion about Jess's experience having some hands-on care with me. I'm Brittney Ellers. I'm a holistic pelvic physical therapist in my own practice called Being Better. And so, yeah, thanks again, Jess, for being here and being open and sharing about your experience.
Of
Can you,
course.
yeah, can you tell us a little bit about what you were hoping to gain or experience or learn about your body? Like, what was really going on with you where you were seeking this kind of care?
Yeah, good question. So basically, my husband and I have been on a journey together of specifically a fertility journey. So it's not easy to talk about, but I really came to you with a problem. I wasn't super connected to my body or my pelvic floor. And I really needed an expert to really pinpoint what the issues were.
Mhm.
Um, Not obviously with doctors, they want you to go all do medication, but I really wanted more a holistic point of view. And I did a lot of researching you, and I had a great experience.
That's amazing to hear. Yeah, I am really appreciative of you sharing about this journey. I know it can be a touchy subject for a lot of people, and it's definitely not easy. It's a little taboo, just like everything else that has to do with pelvic health. So I appreciate you naming that. Can you share a little bit about your experience with what we did in our sessions?
Yeah, not gonna lie, I was a little nervous
Hmm.
going into the session because it seems for me as a person a little bit taboo and uncomfortable at first, but you made me feel so comfortable and confident within myself and put me at ease within the first minute of laying down and getting comfortable. So it was a really great experience that I definitely needed, and it was very eye-opening. I know you did your little touch. What do you call it exactly? Your special touch.
My
That
special
sounds weird.
touch. Well, if you're okay with me naming what we did,
Yeah.
um,
Well,
we did.
on the hand, like the face, around
Okay.
the face, and like all that. I've never done that before, so I wasn't super informed, but
Mhm.
it was something that you showed me and educated me about, and it was something I've never experienced before. So,
Yeah, the craniosacral touch,
mhm.
and I apply that if for anyone curious, not that I necessarily did this with Jess, but I apply that experience and that therapeutic touch to the pelvis externally as well as internally. Not every pelvic PT, not every craniosacral therapist does that, but that is kind of my special blend that I like to piece together. So I'm glad that you enjoyed that. How did you feel afterwards? I'm so curious, like um, how that lingered for you, or if you felt anything else throughout your day or the next day.
Yeah. Not only did I feel physically better with after your services, but also emotionally and spiritually better. It's a journey that I'm on, and I know that we have talked about doing more and more sessions because I think the only way you're going to get results is through practice, right? And through multiple sessions. So I felt pretty good. My body felt amazing, and I'm excited to see the results after more sessions.
Yeah, yeah. It's so interesting, right? Like to put a pressure on our bodies sometimes to perform, maybe to conceive is so different. But I feel like what I end up learning from other people that are also on fertility journeys is that there's
Mm.
a surrender that gets to happen and a
Mhm.
relaxation. And that is where reception and conception can occur. So I mean, I've seen it happen
Mm.
so often. As soon as the woman feels open and relaxed and receptive, and craniosacral can absolutely help with that. Other things can help with that, including internal pelvic care and my vaginal alchemy work. Um, and even
Mhm.
belly massage, womb massage. It's so special. So Yeah, I'm really grateful for you letting me work with you and being with you on
Mhm.
this journey is, yeah, such an honor. Is there anything else that you'd like to share?
Yeah, I would say for anyone that is, for me, I'm a business owner. I have a lot of things that I have to do throughout the day. I'm usually really stressed half the time. This
I hear you,
was
girl.
a really great opportunity for me to connect with myself and really learn more about my body and how it works and um, just dive deep. And it's not always easy to go there, but having this experience was really eye-opening. So I recommend if anyone is struggling with fertility or anything regarding the pelvic floor, I would reach out to Brittney uh, and inquire about her services because she's really doing really great work out there that not many people, I chat GPT'd and Googled it, and not many people are practicing what she is. And or they're just it's very limited, right?
Mm,
And unique of what you offer. So
mm.
definitely would highly recommend you and your services.
Thank you. I so appreciate you. Thank you for taking the time to be here out of your busy day. I know, yeah, being a business owner, your schedule's jam-packed, so I truly, truly appreciate it that you took the time.
Of course. Thanks so much.
Of course. Bye, everyone. We'll talk to you soon.